managing your client expectations, they are crazy important. So how do we do that the Brunner's way? Well, the first step is always be transparent.
Right. Communicate.
Perfect example, the big project Crossroads Church that we're working on right now. There's code for plants. We can't find some of the plants that we couldn't find some of the plants that they needed that would meet the code. We could have just said, yeah, and just bought whatever and put it in anyways. But no, we were transparent. How did that experience? What?
Well, I mean,
tell me about that.
That's just communicating. I mean, unfortunately, depending on the season, when things are going in, not everything's available. Like, not everything's even being dug right now from some of our suppliers. And then we had, some issues where suppliers said they had one thing by the time we got confirmation. Oh, sorry, we're out. I'm like, okay. And then Matt had to go back and we had to, do another change order. Can we swap to this? They have this available. So communication, and especially like with weather needs, if it's just a mowing day and you have rain coming in, like communicate to your vendors like, hey, I'm not going to be here. Because just because they see a sprinkle doesn't mean it's going to still be safe to mow, especially if the property has lots of hills, all kinds of different things come into play there. So,
yeah, to be fully transparent, if any of our clients are watching, we've had a couple setbacks. Chemical machines broke, dump trailers broke. So you got to be transparent. Let your clients know what's happening. If you can't meet their needs,
same kind of thing. If there's damage to anything, just communicate. Like, hey, we came too close to this and this broke or that broke, or we picked up a stick and it's happened and a glass screen door went down. It's things happen. So you can't prevent every accident from happening.
Yeah.
Don't put pea gravel around anything. That stuff's evil.
It's awful. And stop having your vendors edge every week. To be transparent, edging every week is not good. It takes away the material from the line of your concrete, which creates a big gap.
And then you have spaces where weeds can germinate that are donated. Anyway. See, I tangented.
Be transparent, not some of the time, all of the time.